Mom, Unfiltered by Grace Craftis.
This child will not kill me. Is this how you sweep? Instead of you to bend down properly and sweep as a woman, you are standing up and sweeping. Will you put that broom down, bend your waist down properly and sweep like a woman? Is that how you are going to be sweeping your husband's house? Sweep properly now before I descend on you heavily. Bend down and sweep. My God.
Hello graceful lovers, thanks for watching my video. If you love my content, like, love, react, share and engage. And if you are viewing on my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. If you are following my page, please do well to follow my page, like it. Thank you. Watch out for the next episode on Friday. Bye bye.